First take a mirror, circle shaped mirror, and trace it on the cardboard. Then cut it out. Cut a newspaper of same size and fold it in half. Then fold it till it becomes small. Like this. And you can see these lines. This divides the circle into the equal parts. Trace it on the cardboard and divide it in equal small parts. I am doing it with the scale. You can also use the protractor. Now you will need some straws. Stick it in the cardboard on this manner. It will look like a V. Stick it in the same manner in the whole circle. You can stick it with the help of glue gun or super glue. You can see it like this. Now I am using spray paint to paint it, but if you don't have spray paint, then you can use acrylic colors. Now stick this circle mirror in the middle of it. I have these small mirrors. I'm gonna stick it around the straws. Fold a rope in half and attach it like this to hang it on the wall.